Hi everyone, it's day 6 of Autohive's 12 Days of Christmas, and today let's meet the newsletter digest agent. If you're anything like me, you'll probably subscribe to about 20 plus newsletters just to get on top of the AI news that are happening around the world at the moment. But due to the sheer volume, you end up never actually reading them, and your inbox, just like mine, end up piling up every day with unread marketing emails. The other downside is that it also makes it really difficult to differentiate those personal emails that you need to take action on versus those informational newsletters. Well, the newsletter digest agent solves this problem by reading all of your unread newsletters, dedupes the information, and creates one easy to read digest that you will actually want to read in minutes. And best of all, you can ask the agent to archive or delete the newsletters for you so that they're no longer clogging up your inbox. So let me show you how I use it. Here is the newsletter digest agent. You can find the agent by clicking on Browse Agent in your workspace and navigating to the newsletter digest agent and clicking on Get Agent. Now let me show you an example conversation that I've had with the agent today. As you can see, the agent is capable of a couple of things. It can scan your inbox, extract key information, it will organize and categorize your newsletters for you based on source as well as topic, and it will create a simple digest for you, and every article in the list is a clickable link so you can find out more. And I've asked it to create a daily digest of my unread newsletters from today. So now it's going through and scanning my inbox for the unread newsletters today. It's found a couple of unread newsletters. You can see that it's scanned 20 newsletters for me from 15 different sources, and that's about 35 plus featured articles. It's categorized all of the newsletters into themes for me. I'm obviously very big on AI and technology, so it's got a lot of those. And then business and strategy, and then marketing and sales, and then tools and productivity. It's also given me the top 3 reads for today, and it's given me a summary of everything that is scanned. You can see they've scanned 20 newsletters, extracted 37 articles, and it's provided the links as well. So if I look at the digest file right here, I can see all of that information right here. And I can click on any of this and go to the article in question, as well as a summary of today's processing as well, which is brilliant. And finally, it's gone through and marked all of my newsletters that were unread as processed, as read, and also cleaned up my inbox, which is brilliant. If I want to take it to the next level and automate this whole thing, I can go to the scheduled section and plan this as a scheduled job for me every day or every week, so that it will just simply run and send me a follow-up email in a format pretty much like this one. So as you can see, the newsletter digest agent takes you from inbox chaos with potentially hundreds of unread newsletters down to a single beautiful digest in minutes. So give the newsletter digest agent in your workplace a try now. Your inbox will really thank you. And tomorrow for day 7, we'll bring you a writing assistant that will help you pitch the perfect speaker bio for your 2026 events. So see you tomorrow.